Happy holidays in cyber world. Welcome back to another video. I'm Jennifer.
I'm Richard, and this is our channel we call Poor Man's DIY.
Tis the season of giving. We started with a giveaway by making a custom logo for one of our viewers.
At the same time, we were making Christmas ornaments that we put out in our lawn to hang on a tree to allow neighbors to walk by and take one for free. We originally made 60 ornaments thinking that was going to be more than enough for our entire neighborhood, but it turns out that a lot of people walk their dogs and cross in front of us. We have kids going to school and so forth, and we haven't been able to keep up with the demand. I think we're now up to about 150 ornaments and we're almost done again, so we have to make more, but it has been so much fun and everyone seems to be enjoying it.
So we had an idea. We reached out to a company and asked them to participate to see if they would give a free gift to one of our viewers.
The company we were referring to is DEKO Tools. DEKO Tools reached out to us some time back and they asked us if we would be willing to review their products. Before we agreed to it, we did some research on the company just to make sure that we were comfortable working with them. We were happy with what we learned about them and we offered to go ahead and make the video, under the stipulation that if we make a review, it would be 100% under our control, and we would say what our honest opinion of it is, be it positive or negative. We asked DEKO Tools if they were okay with this, and they sound thrilled about it, and they said, go ahead. And that spoke volumes to us, so we were really pleased that they were so open to allow us to make a video the way we wanted to about their products.
So let's go ahead and tell you a little bit about DEKO Tools.
They are a producer of measuring tools, power tools, hand tools, welding equipment, garden tools, safety products, tool storage, accessories, and more.
Their global brand is in over 50 countries and is a leading supplier of best in value power tools and equipment
for homeowners, professionals, and DIYers like us. DEKO Tools has not been in the North American market for very long. So currently, only cordless power tools,
hand tools, and welding equipment are available on Amazon.
You can check them out using the link in the description below.
Now for the giveaway. Here is the 228-piece toolkit that will be given to the lucky winner. We have a 198-piece toolkit. We did a review on it, and we use it a lot around the house.
To enter the contest, there are two simple rules to follow. Rule number 1, you must subscribe to the DEKO Tools YouTube channel. We'll provide a link in the description below. Rule number 2, you must leave a comment on this video below.
Unfortunately, this particular toolkit is only available in the US. Here is the deadline to enter.
DEKO Tools will use a program to randomly select a winner. They will then make a video and post the video on their channel revealing who the winner is on this date.
We wish to thank all of our viewers for the continuous support that you've all provided.
We wish you and your loved ones a very Merry Christmas and a Happy Holidays. So until we meet again, bye-bye.